Today we are going to study about module. What is module? First of all, we have to understand that a module is a file consisting of Python code that can define functions, classes, and variables related to a particular task. A module allows us to organize our code by grouping related code, which makes the code easier to understand and use. Now see how to create a module. Like first of all, you see area. One file I have created, as I told, it is a file, Python file, area.py. Area.py is a file. So area is a module, and in this module what I have done, I have created a program. First of all, import math. You can see here import math means I am importing a inbuilt module. Then one circle area is defined here. In that, just radius into radius, pi into radius, that is the formula of area of radius, area of circle. Then second function is here, square area. In this, side into side, area of square. So these two functions belong to this particular module area, where math module already imported here, that is an inbuilt module. So I have created one module area here. Now how to use this module in another program? Actually, as I told, module is a Python program, is a Python code that contains functions, variables, classes that can be called in other programs. See how it can be called in other program. Like here, one program math1.py, it is another program. Here I am importing that module area. Import area. After that, area.circle area. Circle area is a function. Then square area is a function that is there in area.py. You can see here circle area and square area. These are the two functions already defined in area module, and in math1.py this area module has been imported, and the function, we can call that function like this: module name dot function name, module name dot function name. As you have seen, in inbuilt module we do similarly. Here in user defined module we can do. In inbuilt module I have given one example of math. Import math, then math.ceil function, math.floor function. Similarly here, area is the module area.circle area function, area.square area function. As I will call this circle area, it will go here, it will find out the area and value will be returned. See this output. See, this is the circle area and this is the square area. Value is 10, 10 into 10, 100. So in this way we can create module and we can call that. Next example, like another way how we can import a module. So if you want to call any specific function of a module, like area is the module, then we use from keyword. From area, import circle area. Circle area is one of the function of area module. So how we call in name of the function? Here I have written clearly, from allows you to select a specific function from the module. So this specific function we are calling. So you don't have to write here area dot circle area, just simply write the function name circle area. So it will give you the output. Run it. See, the output is coming. Next is how we can call the module, how we can use module through the member aliasing. Like here I am making a function, making a module test new. You can see here test new is one of the module. So here I have defined one variable, it is a global variable, one function add, another function product. Then in test1.py I will import that, import test new, then test new.x. What it will do, it will print the value of x, that was 100, x is equal to 100. Then test.add, test new.add, add function will be called, then product function will be called. It is a normal module and we are importing that module and the function on that. But I want to explain you member aliasing, how we alias that module, that I want to say you. See this program test2, import test new as m, the module name is test new, you can see here module name test new, and this test new I am using as a module aliasing. Module aliasing means m is the alias name for module test new. In place of test new I can use m. Print m.x. So m.x means the value of x will become 100. Then m.add, the add function will be called of test new module. Then m.product, product function will be called of test new module. So it is called module aliasing. See the output. See here 100, the value of x, the sum is 30 as per the value 10 20, and product 5 and 2, so it is coming 10. After that, next topic is member aliasing. As you see, we can alias the module, means we can give another name to module. Similarly, we can give the member of module another name. Like member of module means, like see this module test new, this x is the member, it is a variable. This add, this function add is a module. Product is also a also a part of that, also a member of test new. So these all are the member, and these member we can alias like this. From test new, import x as p, means we can use p in place of x. Add was the function name, add as sum, means in place of add we can use sum. Now see this, if I write print p, p means the value of x, and 10 20, 10 20 means sum means add function. Now see this, run it, then 100, then sum is 30. So this is the output. I am clearing this. So see, when I am running this, it is coming the value of p is 100, and the sum is 10 and 20, that is 30. So these all for module. I hope you have understood.